I grew up always knowing that I would own a company, I would start a business. I just wasn't sure what kind of a business that would be. I had worked in printing in various capacities, and I decided that what I would do was broker printing. And from brokering printing, this was 1973, it just seemed logical I would buy a printing press. I started the company, and one of my first accounts was a vitamin manufacturer. And I learned from him that what you touch and you breathe affects the health of the people around you. This made me look at these printing chemicals. I started using things like Crisco and PAM and vinegar and things of that nature to replace heavy-duty solvents, and it worked. My suppliers got the idea that I was wanting to do things safer. I had told my suppliers I'm willing to test anything that's safer. When soy ink came along, we tested soy ink. Today we're at a platform though where we have all vegetable wash-up solutions, all vegetable ink. Soy ink has petroleum in it. Our ink does not. Printers need to look at the chemicals that they're using. They're also needing to look at what they're putting into the air, the land, and water from those chemicals. We were honored to be named the first great printer for Illinois, and the EPA wanted me to speak to groups of printers for them. And it didn't go over at all. And it got to the point where I said, you know, this is the 90s, this is a non-traditional business for a woman to be in, and I'm asking that you clean up, and it's not going over. It looks like they're going to start throwing tomatoes at me any minute. I rather was a little traumatized after that experience because I found that not even the green organizations wanted to entertain a quote from somebody who had won such a high honor from the EPA. So I kind of just went along, kept improving the shop, doing what I was doing, but I felt isolated. And I went to a function called Green Drinks, and I found 20 people who understood what I was doing, why I was doing it, and I just felt like I had come home. Well, now along comes Green Exchange. Now this is a community. This is exciting because everybody is on the same page. They want the same things, and you have a support system. You have a network there of people who totally understand why you do it and what's motivating you and can help you along in that. We're going to be the business center at the Green Exchange. I'm so excited about that. We'll be meeting a lot of new people. We'll be able to provide them with safe, sustainable printing services.